My name is Adam Mathis. I'm the president of Prime Power. The Prime Power engineering team is comprised of some of the best engineers in the industry. They're specialists in power generation, which gives us the ability to look at a facility's entire emergency power system as a whole, complete system.
Our engineering team thinks outside the box, and we look at things from a different perspective, and we can get very creative.
Les Gonzalez is our lead engineer, and he's been with us for 28 years. He is a visionary. He's just really, really exceptional at looking at the system as a whole and identifying where the problem may be.
I started at Prime Power back in '92. This was my first job as an engineer. It's my only job as an engineer. I love this job. I get to be out in the field. I get to see what I'm building.
Jonathan Turner's been with Prime Power for more than 20 years. His custom designed switchgear is some of the best in the industry and is highly sought after.
My favorite thing about being an engineer is getting to play. I play a lot when I'm putting in a system. I'm installing the components and making everything come alive. Here at Prime Power, the techs and engineers are very well integrated together.
Technicians are never alone. They're able to call a degreed engineer, and they're going to be on the phone with some of the best minds in the industry, and all of that is leveraged in support of the partners that we take care of.
Our engineering expertise allows our engineers to see things that others do not see.
They can go into a customer site, and instead of having 4 different vendors pointing fingers at the other vendor saying what the problem is, Les can come in and then be able to identify and correct the problem.
Customers do not have to call multiple companies when they're dealing with their power system. We can take care of every aspect. The engineers cover the country. We've got jobs in California, Florida, Illinois, Michigan. We go pretty much anywhere.
We've been around for 30 plus years, and we have systems that are still out there from the beginning that are still running.
I have put in gear back when I started. Now I'm coming full circle on that gear where we're removing old gear.
Oftentimes the existing infrastructure will limit your capabilities.
Retrofitting's important for our clients because, most of the data centers and systems that we're put in here in Atlanta were put in maybe in the mid-'80s, '90s. They've been powered up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week ever since, and things don't last forever.
So what we do with Switchgear Modernization is we can replace the components at a fraction of the cost of total replacement. And we also do it piece by piece, so there's little to no interruption in power and services to the customer. So for the most part, it can be pretty seamless. Why Prime Power? Because Prime Power is trusted. One of the most important things is that you can't have an interruption, and they trust us. Our experience, our capabilities, our customers trust us.